This is the 2015 Yamaha SZ RR-V1. As you can see, ito yung mga ginagamit natin mostly sa ating mga vlog and sa ating mga daily na travel. Kung gusto mo naman malaman ng specs nito, i-GMG mo na lang. And for today's vlog, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung mga highlight nitong motor na to and ano ba yung pros and cons and yung mga nagustuhan ko. I-add ko na rin yung mga modification na ginawa ko since nung nabili natin tong motor na ito. Tara, i-check natin. This motorcycle is powered by a single-cylinder, air-cooled 4-stroke SOHC 2-valve engine with 153cc displacement and a BS26 carburetor. For the transmission, it has a 5 number of gears, 1 down, 4 ups, and controlled by a wet multiple disc clutch. These two alloy wheels is controlled by a front disc brake and a drum rear brake. The front tire size is 90 by 90 R17 and the rear tire size is 100 by 90 R17. For the mileage, it has a 45 to 55 kilometers per liter, which is for me a sobrang sulit. You can go back and forth from Baguio to Laguna in just, let's say, 6 liters of gasoline. Kung ikaw ay isang gwapong Pilipino na may 5'4" na height at katamtamang pangangatawan, bagay na bagay sa iyo ang curb weight na 134 kg at ang seat height nitong 802mm na may ground clearance na 165mm na tamang-tama at saktong-sakto lang sa kahit anong klase ng kalsada ng Pilipinas. At yan ang mga highlights ng ating 2015 Yamaha SZ RR-V1 na ginagamit natin sa ating mga vlog.